What is going on, guys? It's Button Mash here, and you guys are watching another Cluster Truck episode. Alright, guys, now because Nightmare Nights is closing in pretty fast, we're going to be playing the Nightmare Night version. So anyways, let's get right into this and see where it goes. It's been a while since I played this, and I remember the last one I got really mad, and I kind of rage quit, kinda, just slightly a little bit. Come on! You gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me! You wanna know what? You wanna know what? You know what? Screw this game! So, maybe this time I'll actually do better. So let's just do this. Okay. First one looks like a... Okay, I was just gonna say first one looks like it's gonna be... Okay, whoa! Trucks are flying! Don't be doing things. Don't be doing... No! Whoa! Oh, why did I do that? We're just gonna stay. And stay. Whoa, truckity trucks! Whoa! No! No, come on, really? I just gotta be careful. That's all I gotta do. All I gotta do is be really careful. Truck! Oh, crap, can I make it? Yes, I made it! Alright, next level, here we go. Okay, this is kind of weird. Oh, we're in a graveyard. No, wow. No, don't just die at the bat right there. I aimed at it and it should have just landed. Oh, no, not another one of those. Crap. Okay, just be careful. No, God, come on. There we go, we'll get up here with these trucks. They're doing like this little left-hand kind of turn here. Oh, wait, we just got launched. No, wow, what? What was that? This game is lame. Let's see if we can get to this truck. There we go. Whoa, crap! Here we go, airtime. Boom. Oh, crap. Whoa, no, there we go. Level 2 done. Here we go, okay, now we gotta jump over things. Boom. And boom. And where are we? Okay, we're going this way. Never mind, we're not going that way. Bye, everyone. Wow, this is a really long drop. You know, they could have made, like, the kill thing a little bit closer. Just saying. Alright, a jump. And a jump. And a jump. And we gotta turn, and right there. Whoa! Did you see that dodge? Bam! That was pretty neat. Whoa! No! I was right there. That was beyond lame. Okay, I guess those ones do kill you, but it pushed me that one time. How come it didn't kill me that one time? Unless I was pushed by something else. I don't know. There we go. Okay. Boom. And boom. And boom. No! Boom. And 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 boom. Whoa, crap! No, we gotta make it through. Yeah, we did it! There we go. Okay, I guess it would just work out of the way. Okay, where are we going now? It looks like a hole. Holy crap. Get it? Hole? Holy crap. Hole. No! Oh, come on, really? And here we go. And oh, come on! I was on that! Here we go. Ha! I made it! Excellent! And there's lanterns. Okay. No. Ah, come on. Okay, that's gonna be a little tricky. To get that. Here we go. Boom! Ha! How do you like them apples? And let's see if we can make it in. Okay, it wasn't fast enough. And almost there, and boom! Ha! There we go, perfect! We gotta go down more, don't we? Yep. Okay, and there we go, boom. Okay. Just gotta play this right. There we go! Boom! Perfect! Alright, halfway there. Whoa, whoa, what? Okay, things are... I don't even know what's... Okay, I guess that was a thing. That was weird. I won't complain as to what happened. Okay, never mind. That didn't work. Okay, just gotta jump. Okay, never mind. I gotta jump. And jump. And die. Jump and die. That's what you gotta do in this game. Oh, come on! Okay, jump over that. We gotta jump over here. Oh, we're so close. Oh, we're so close. And boom. Okay, so we gotta make it back over there. Oh, we did it! Holy crap! I can't believe I did that! Oh! I'm actually kind of really excited about that entire thing. And there's giant pumpkins! Holy jack-o'-lantern! I wasn't prepared for this! Okay! Well, they just, like, completely body slam you into death. What the... Oh, I see it. Okay, well, these pumpkins are just gonna freaking throw it into my face. Ah! Alright, come on. Just be nice to me. Just be nice to me. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! There we go, you just gotta be, you know, very, oh. I guess you actually do gotta move. I was strategizing, but my strategizing didn't work. Made it. Made it. Made it. Made it. No, don't die. Oh, I was gonna say, if I died right there randomly, that would have been stupid. Okay, level 8, here we go. And I died. Because for some reason that didn't reach. There we go. Oh, that's long. Oh. I'm assuming we gotta jump. Yep, here we go. And land it. And there we go, and... No! Come on, it was right there. Okay, really high up in the air. Woo! Boom. And... truck. And... Oh, come on, if that wasn't in the way, look at that, it would have been right there. Okay, here we go again. Right on the truck. Never mind, not on the truck. Never mind, not on that truck either. And boom. No, I made that, I got a freaking grapple hook. Come on, I'm right there, and I'm right there, yes! Finally, we made it through here. It took me so long to get through. Level 9. Go, what? No, I want that. I want that! Why are you leaving? Oh, what? What? Well, I didn't know you could grapple onto that, but okay, that works. What the heck? Okay, this is definitely, level 9 material. Ah! Okay, well, we gotta strategize it by not dying in the first 5 seconds. Oh, come on, I didn't die! No, come on, that pushes me right over! Over. We're good for a little bit. And back over. No. Oh boy! Truck, save me! No, truck, save me! No! I was right there! Whoa, okay, that really scared me. Ah! I just ran right into him. We gotta make it over there. Make it in there. Oh boy. No, make it. No, I was right there. Oh, look at that. No, that was a cool save. Ah. Oh, I'm flying. No, don't die. Don't die. Happy Halloween! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Beat that! Boom! Done with the Halloween one. Alright guys, well I hope you guys really enjoyed this. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys want to see more of Cluster Trucks, I know there's a few other versions and I think there's actually community made maps as well. So just let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely do that. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye!